Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our video's topic is product and service success stories. So let's proceed our video. So we have these different stories. Process for treating your product or service. OODA loop, introduced by Colonel John Boyd in 1990s. The concept of OODA loop: opponent who can move through cycle quickly can gain advantage. Get inside decision cycle, first used in military circles but broadly applied today. So in OODA loop we have observation, act, orientation and decision. The key concept of OODA loop is winning is about agility, requires adjusting to circumstances on the ground, cannot be achieved from behind the desk, can disrupt competitors by getting inside their decision cycle. Winners move faster than their competitors. And next we have lean startup and agile development. So in this process we have firstly ideas, and after ideas we have learning and then building. After we have built some project and then we have data. After data we have coding and then measurement. So these are the key points of development. Then talking to customer, the first step, looking for epiphanies, who to listen to. Early evangelist has a problem, is aware of having a problem, has been actively looking for a solution, has put together a solution out of these parts, has or can acquire a budget. And next we have structuring feedback, using stories to capture feedback, prioritizing stories. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.